Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Rahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will learn about API. How can we extract the data using the JSON file? How can we extract the data from the JSON file using UiPath APIs? So, so I'm creating a video to people understand API and its use with UiPath because one of the interview questions that normally be asked is how will you use UiPath with API so that you can get the data, because it's not only important to automate and latency application with your ID automation activity, it's also equally important to understand how can you integrate the latency application with the latest data API. So that's how we are going to that what we are going to learn in the particular training series. Okay, so let's start. So I am recommended everyone to learn with this because this will be easier, and the video will be using random user dot me API, and second one with fdual dot government form enforcement website, and third one is to the API NASA government. So you can use this practice website and extract the data using the API. So the complexity will be increased after each session. So let's start this session with random user API. So how can we get data from an API's a website, or if there is website application will what you are seeing on the web browser. So simply what we are doing, we are just simply copy this website, copy, and going to the browser and paste on the random API, and you can copy this result from here and open a notepad plus plus and paste on the here, and also you can click on the plugin and convert into the JSON. You can see I am already convert test text into the JSON. So simply convert and save it. When you see how to data retrieve from a database or how extract are we getting data, it will be not it it will just the data. Let's go your, so you can let go your browser and paste the first part of the API and then convert into the JSON. So you can see I'm already convert that data into the JSON and save that file. So let's see how can we. So you can see each and every JSON will start from a sure with a flow bracket. You can see this bracket, and it will end with a flow bracket also. You can see here they are end with the flow bracket also. You can see here, and there are only two things that can be available into the JSON one. One is either an object and the second it can an array. Let's understand five concept. Let's few concept of the JSON. So I'm just open the JSON. So rules of the JSON: data should be So I'm just tell you about the rule of the JSON. So let's stand for rule of JSON. So the data should always be name value pairs. So there should be a key. If you understand a dictionary, if you see a dictionary, how a dictionary contain a name or a word and followed by its meaning, in the same way each and every data should be represented in the form of a key and a value. Data should be separated by commas. If you want to represent multiple key of multiple data, and should be represented with a comma in the represent. If you see there a key, if you see there a key, there a key, key 1 value and comma and key 2 and value. Every object should be held by a curly bracket. You can see this curly bracket. And we always need to mention any kind of JSON is form of a curly bracket or a flow bracket now. Okay, curly bracket and follow bracket now. If you want to add, or if you want to add any array of data, for example, you can see here, you can see here, and also we need to close this from the curly bracket. I want to represent fruits, but I cannot represent one fruit by mentioning it as fruit, so that too I will give fruits as key. And if you see, I have writing thing, or I written all the root name in a square bracket. You can see square bracket, you can see. So again, the basic represent of array state that every item should be separated with a commas. You can see. So in the same way, we are represent all the item like apple, banana and mango. And these are the four rule of J. You don't understand that, absolutely fine. In the next 5 minutes, you will definitely understand what I mean to say. I am writing, or I have simple JSON here. So I am just copy that JSON. So you can see here we have the JSON file, and here we have the curly bracket is follow bracket is start from here, and the flow bracket is close on here. So we need to extract the data like use the key and get the value of the using key and get the output of the value. So same thing we are doing for the that thing. So we need to provide the key as a sender and get the value of the mail, and same thing we are doing for the pass the key as a title and get the output of the amount, Mr. So how can we do that? So simply open a browser, sorry, open UiPath Studio, and in that UiPath Studio, what you are doing, you are simply going to the manage package, and in that manage package you are select on the all package, and here you are write the web.api. You are simply pass the API. When you are type the API, click on the project dependencies. So right on the API, then you need to install that package in your UiPath Studio, uipath.web.api.activity. So you can see I am already installed that package, so no need to, that's it. So after that, you are save the your JSON file into the your text into the JSON format in that text file, and that text file name is new1.txt. So I am take a activity name is the text file, and pass the path of the text file on here, and create a variable name is str text. And after that what we are doing, we are take a JSON, sorry, desired JSON, the realize JSON activity, and paste it here, drop and drag on here. And after that we are pass the string value on here, and convert that value into the JObject format. So we are pass the hard input into the str string, and create a variable name is JObject output. And after that what we are doing, we are get the output of the this gender and title. So we need to pass the gender as a key and title also as a key, and get the value as a male and mr. So how can we do that? So simply I am take a log message activity and drop on here. And after that what we are doing, we are pass the j object output here, and then we are pass the uh, start bracket. So r in r start from the result, and all the thing is comes because they are start from the curly bracket, and all the things is comes into the zero index. So for that what we are doing, we are going to the r, and here we are pass the result, and he's coming to the zero index. And then we are pass the key and get the output. So our key is gender, so I am just pass this enter, and same, and save it, and run the program. So here you can see into the output we are get the value to the male. So if we need to get the output of the title, so what we are doing, we are just simply and enter and plus string and plus, and here I am j object and bracket, and path results is coming to the zero index. And after that what we are doing, we are take the, because the key is name and value is title and other thing. So for that case what we are passing name also as a double quotation. So create a bracket and double quotation paste the name. And after that we are pass the key. What we need to extract the, we need to extract the title. So copy that title and open your path studio, and here we are path the title and go to history, and okay, and save it, and run the program. So you can see here we are get the output is the male and mr. So we need to pass is space both of the output value. So you can see here, get the output of the male is gender and title is Mr. So today's agenda is completed. So tomorrow I am also share another video regard to the API. How can and on that video what we are doing, we are extract the title and first name, last name and location, other kind of thing we are extract the, and also we are use the for each loop and extract all the details regard to the this JSON using the API. So please subscribe my channel and like my video, and if you have any question regard to the API you can comment that question and reply on that thing. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.